Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about some questions and answers. The topic name is Values and Data Types. Part 3. The next slide contains some short questions. Question number 11. Arrange the following primitive data types in the ascending order of their size. Roman 1 char, Roman 2 byte, Roman 3 double and Roman 4 int. The correct order is byte, char, int, double because byte memory capacity is 1 byte, char is 2 byte, int is 4 byte and double is 8 byte. Question number 12. State the number of bytes occupied by char and int data types. Answer. The char data types occupies 2 bytes and the int data type occupies 4 bytes. Question number 13. State the difference between a Boolean literal and a character literal. Answer. The difference between a character literal and a Boolean literal are as follows. Boolean literal. Number 1. A Boolean literal is always of Boolean type. It's either Boolean value true or false. Character literal. Number 1 point. A character literal is of char type. It is one character enclosed in single quotes. Example Z. Number 2. Boolean literal uses 1 byte of storage capacity, but character literal uses 2 bytes of storage capacity. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 14. What are default values of the primitive data type int and float? The default value of int is 0 and float is 0.0f. Number 15. Name the primitive data type in Java. Roman 1 is 64-bit integer and used when you need a range of values wider than those provided by int. Number 2. A single 16-bit Unicode character whose default value is within single quotes \U40 close the single quotes full stop. The answer is Roman 1, that is long data type, and number 2 is char data type. Question number 16. State one difference between floating point literal and double literal. Answer. Floating point literal require 4 bytes whereas double literal require 8 bytes. Question number 17. Give one example each of a primitive data type and a composite data type. Answer. Primitive data type examples are int and float, and composite data type examples are class and array. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 18. Describe the use of the final keyword. Answer. The modifier final can be applied to a variable declaration to ensure that value stored in the variable cannot be changed after the variable has been initialized. Question number 19. Classify the following as primitive or non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are also known as reference data type. Roman 1 char is a primitive data type. Roman 2 arrays is a non-primitive data type. Roman 3 int is a primitive data type, and Roman 4 classes is a non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data types are also known as reference data type. Question number 20. Give the difference between char and string. The difference between string and char are as follows. String, it is a reference data type. Char, it is a primitive data type. String. Number 2, it is a collection of characters, spaces, numbers and special characters enclosed within a double quotes. Char. Number 2 point, it represents single character enclosed within a single quotes. Example of string data type. String S1 equals to computer within double quotes. S1 is a reference data type variable. Example of char data type. Char ch equals to m within single quotes semicolon. Ch is a primitive char data type variable. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number D. Give the answer of the following questions. Question number 1. Java uses dash character set. The answer is Unicode character set. Number 2. Smallest individual unit in a program is known as dash. Answer is token. Question number E. Choose the correct answer from the following options. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a token? The options are A is keyword, number B is identifiers, number C is statements, number D is operators. The correct answer is number C, statements. Question number 2. Identify the illegal identifier from the following. The options are A is underscore CHK. Option B is 20 underscore 2 underscore 50. Option C is $student underscore name. Option D is A underscore 2 underscore Z. The correct answer is option B 20 underscore 2 underscore 50. Close the parenthesis. Question number 3. Which of the following is not an integral data type in Java? Question mark. The options are A is short, B is long, C is byte, D is double. The correct answer is number D, double. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 4. Which of the following is a primitive data type in Java? The options are A is array, B is class, C is byte, D is character. The correct answer is number C, byte. Question number 5. Which of the following is the default initial value for a long data type? The options are number A is 0, number B is long 0, number C is 0L and number D is all of this. The correct answer is number C, 0L. Question number 6. Which keyword turns a variable declaration into constant declaration? The options are number A, const, number B, final, number C, constant, number D, fixed. The correct option is number B, final. Students, in this session, I have discussed about some questions and answers. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. Thank you.